Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find feature photos settings on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application, and then you need to click on your profile picture in the top right, and then you need to click on your name and scroll down and click on edit public details, and then you need to scroll down, and here you can see the option of featured. Click on try it, and you can select any picture from your gallery. So I'm going to select this one. Then you need to click on next, and here you can add cover if you want. You can add title to your collection here. So I'm going to add how to solutions for an example. Okay, and you can add more picture as well, and then you need to click on save. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.